Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to rotate or flip shape in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show rotate or flip shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for drawing option. Then open your drawing format. Now click for a shape. Then choose shape. Now for click. Then draw a shape. Then another shape from a draw. Now click for shape option. Now click for another shape. Then choose from a shape. Now draw. Now again other shape, draw. Now select from shape. The shape is rotate. Now click for a shape. Now click for mouse right button option. Then click for rotate option. Now click for rotate quickly by 90 degree. Then again another shape. Now for select, then click for mouse right button option. Then click for rotate option. Now click for rotate. Then another shape is the same process from rotate. This is first step. Now click for mouse right button. Now click for a rotate option. Then click for flip horizontally. That's it. Then we show rotate or flip shape in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.